Hello and welcome back, guys. Here in this lecture we are going to learn about modules. So what is module in Python? You can consider module is like a code library. It is basically a .py extension file with set of functions that you want to include in your application that you can reuse it. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. A module can define functions, classes, and variables. A module can also include running code, grouping related code into module makes the code easier to understand and use. Suppose here we have one sample module calculator.py or cal.py, you can say it. Cal.py or calculator.py. Cal.py, suppose we have this. It has two functions, adding and subtraction. In adding, we are passing the two parameters and returning x plus y. Subtraction, we have two parameters and it is returning x minus y. So how we can use the module? The important statement we can use in Python source file as a module by executing an import statement. This is really important. Here the import statement which is used. In some other Python source file, when interpreter encounters an import statement, it import the module if the module is present in search path, or you can call those attributes or the functions through cal dot this way as well. How we can import the specific attributes to module? The from import statement. Python's from import statement lets you import the specific attribute from a specific module. Here, if we see from math import square root and factorial. And if we simply import math, then we can use the math.square root and math.factorial. We can call it like this way. Here we go. The above functionality need a practical experiment, and I would like to show you there are the two basically IDEs. One is the Visual Studio Code. Here is the Visual Studio Code. And another is the PyCharm, whatever you can use or do it. Let's see, create a new file and let me save it. Here we go. So here in this code, I'm just going to my module.py, just replacing it, and it's the new file. Here I am creating a function adding x, y, return x plus y. And I am creating another method, subtraction, and passing the x minus y, returning, passing two variables and returning the x and y. Now let's create another new file and save is just testing.py. Here we are importing my module. I saved it, my module, and print here my module dot adding, passing the functions 10 and 8, and print my module dot subtraction passing the two variables to this. Well, execute this. Here it is saying that invalid syntax. Here the return is not here. And now if we run it through again, so if you see here, these are the two results, 18 and 8. Let me clear it and then just call this. So 8 for summaries and 2 for this. Here we can adding result, and here I am just showing here the subtraction result. Now again, if you see here, now adding result is 18 and subtraction result is 12. So this is another way to run the Python code through the Visual Studio Code, and also we will try the multiple IDEs to make you more comfortable for writing this. If the Python file is not working in your Visual Studio Code, then you can install the packages from here, and what you need to be the run and debug Python F5 here, and also you can add here the Python or the packages, multiple packages if you want. Then you can click over here. This Python is already installed here. So this is about the modules, and let's create another example at rep.py. So we have seen our code here. This is the from math import square root like this, and see how it is working here. Square root, and we need to just run this, and if we see here, now here is the results. So let's see. So this is the method factorial function, and now you can see if we run it, then this is the square root is 4 and factorial is 7.